Maseches Avodah Zarah, Perek Lifnei Idihen, Daf Beis, the Mishnah, sponsored the Refuah Shlema for Elisha ben Devorah. The Mishnah discusses restrictions that apply to Jews conducting business with Gentiles. A Jew is not permitted to engage in buying and selling, lending, borrowing articles or money, repaying or accepting debt payments from Gentiles 3 days before their holidays. Even though relinquishing his money distresses him, eventually he pays homage to his God for providing him with the means to repay them. Rabbi Yehuda disagrees. He permits receiving payment of a debt. The word IDEHEN, a reference to their holidays, is spelled sometimes with an aleph or ayin. One verse in the Torah, Ki Karav Yom Edom, with an aleph, alludes to their day of destruction. Another verse states with an ayin, Yitnu Eidehem V'Yitzdaku, their gods will testify to the righteousness of the Jews. However, the Gemara states Eidehem refers to a Jew's mitzvahs that testify to their worthiness. The end of the verse adding V'yishmu v'yomru emes, the Gentiles will hear our claims and justify them. Another verse states V'chamudeim bal yo'ilu V'eidehem hema, not only will their gods not help them, but will testify against them. Hashem holds a Sefer Torah and ultimately judges the nations of the world. Number 1, Rome, the most prestigious nation, is judged first, accorded the same honor as a king, judged before his people, not forcing him to wait, or causing him to be judged harsher, angry at his nation's sins. Claimed accomplishments. They constructed many malls, making food and clothing available, bathhouses to enhance physical health, and amassed much financial wealth, making it easier for Jews to make a living, and consequently have more time to learn Torah. Hashem's response: their accomplishments were self-serving, not to benefit the Jewish nation. Their malls and marketplaces included prostitution, their bathhouses were for self-gratification, and their wealth was Hashem's blessing, but not used to disseminate Torah. Number 2, Persia was next in line compared to a bear who eats excessively, is hairy, and restless. Claimed accomplishments. They constructed bridges, waged wars, and conquered cities to help Jews learn Torah. Hashem's response: their motivations were self-serving. They built bridges to collect taxes, conquered cities for soldiers, and livestock for the king. However, Koresh permitted building the temple the Romans destroyed. The other nations of the 70 argued in their favor. They did not subjugate the Jews. Question: why were the other nations not mentioned by name? The answer: their evil influence did not last as long as Rome and Persia. Question: why will the Gentiles be punished in the future? Hashem never forced the Torah upon them as he did to us at Mount Sinai. The answer: Hashem answered, Rishonos Yashmienu, the first commandments, the 7 Noachide laws, they did not uphold. A proof: Omad vayimdod oretz re'ei vayatir goyim. He saw that they did not fulfill them, so he released them. Question: how can sinners profit? The answer: they receive no reward for fulfilling them, but are punished for transgressing them. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.